If you like this video, you can hit the like and subscribe button.
So hello guys, welcome back. So in this video we are going to talk about a AI based tool which you can use to generate video from text. So you can generate a video from the text that you write, and I will show you how you can use this tool, and this is going to be very productive. So you can use it for your YouTube channel or wherever you want. So you can use your picture or you can use any AI based model, of course, to generate the video. So you just need to write your text. So let's start this video and I will show you a full tutorial how you can generate a video from text.
So guys, the name of the tool is DID. So when you search it on Google, you will see something like this. Click on the first website, studio.did.com, and it will take you to the main homepage of the website, and you can see here digital people text to video. So to try it, we'll click on try it now and then start free trial. So it will take you to the main studio page, and now you can see here we have some options: guest and then create video. So we'll click here create video, and then you can see that we have some presenters. So you have some faces that you can select from this list, and these are the presenters. So when you create a video, the face that you select will come as a video, and you can click on add as well. When you click on add, the first thing you have to do is you have to sign in, or if you don't have any account, you can sign up. So just your full name, email and password, and you can sign up. After you sign up, you just need to log in. Log in with your ID and password, and you will see something like this. So this is the project that I have made already. So then we will click on create video, and you can see here the same presenters. So the first thing you have is language. You have a lot of language, almost all of the languages which are famous. So you can select the language which you want to use. You can either select English or Hindi. Let me search. So you can see here Hindi as well, Italian. So you will find all of the languages whichever you want. So we are going to use English as a tutorial. So I will select English US. So you can see it is selected as English India. So I can change it, and you can see here all of the English version are here. So I will scroll down, and I'm going to select English US. So after you select the language, then you have the option for voice, either male or female, and then you have some names here. You can try them, and you can select whichever you want. And then you have the mood, what you want, like sad, friendly, terrified, shouting, unfriendly, helpful. You can select the mood, whatever you like. Then we'll click on create, and you can see. So if you need your own image, I will show you how you can select your own image. So the first thing is you can change the background of the video, and the first thing to notice is if you see these photos, these are straight from 90-degree angle. So if you are using your own picture, you just need to click the picture from 90-degree angle, as you can see, and I will tell you why it is like so. So you can change the background and everything, and then I'm going to write something here to try. So if you like this video, you can hit the like and subscribe button. So I just wrote like this. And then what we need to do is we need to click on generate video. So it will take some time, and the thing that I want to show you is you can see that I have 19 credits left, and it is going to use 1 credit. So it gives you 20 free credits. So you can either create new account after this, or you can buy it. I will show you. So it is creating the video, it's in process. So when it finishes, I will show you how it looks like. So you can see that you will get a notification. So click here, and you can play it. Let me show you.
If you like this video, you can hit the like and subscribe button.
So you can see, and from here you can download the video, and you can also change the background. And the benefit is that you can do chroma key on the background as well, and you can put them wherever you want. So now I want to show you something. As I told you, if you don't select the 90-degree picture, as you can see, this is a selfie that I took. So it's a selfie and it's not straight. So I'm going to use this one. You can see that the face is a bit on an inclined position, or it's on the left, you can see. So I'm going to use this one, and I wrote something here. I am searching from Technocean YouTube channel. So I wrote this, and I'm going to generate the video. So when I generate this video, you will see something funny. Of course, I want to tell you, that's why. So when you see here, you can see that this one was a right angle straight 90-degree picture, and the one that I used, it is going to say something. So when I play it, you will notice something. Don't laugh.
Hey, I'm Sachin from Techno Ocean YouTube channel.
So you see the face got a bit tilted. You can see the reaction. So it automatically did the picture straight, but it didn't fit properly. So when you click a picture, you just need to click it in 90-degree and it will be fine. So now if you want to add your own picture as presenter, you can click on add, and you can see the photo requirements. So the size can be up to 10 megabytes, good and solid lighting, and medium shot. So you can see the requirements here, and the main thing is it should be front facing. So after you click on add, it will open the folder and file explorer, and you can select the image. It will take some time to process and then it will be fine. So it will be added. And now what I want to show you is here the coolest thing. So instead of writing the script here that you will type your text and then it will generate a video, you can select on audio. You can select, and if you have done your voiceover or you have any video, you can just click on upload and it will make a video. So it's the fastest way. So if you have any voiceover, you can just upload it and it will generate a video from that voiceover. You can buy from here, and the most important thing is when you click a picture, you just need to remove the background of the picture so that you can use it. And from here you can buy it, the plan. You can see that it gives you 10 minutes per month, 15 minutes. So it's a bit expensive, but if you are going to use it for some time, you can create either a new account or you can use the 20 credits that you get. I hope you will like this video and hit the subscribe button as well.